Alright, we're going to figure out a name for this channel, but if you made it this far, thanks for hanging in there with us.
That's what we'll call it. If you made it this far, congratulations.
And figured the thing we're missing are the bandanas because we're trying to
unlock our inner noodle making capabilities.
yeah, so I guess this is me right here. I don't have a selfie stick. I'm holding my phone. That's my daughter. I hope we're getting in the picture here.
Okay,
so
Dad,
we're gonna give this a try here. Here's the dough. Here's my daughter again. She's washing her hands. All right, so we saw these people slapping this dough around. We saw these noodle masters, and we're pretty pumped. We're pretty pumped up right now. Hopefully, we'll get some Chinese noodles eventually after we knead this dough all day long. Okay. Ooh, yeah! Slap that dough. Do it again.
Hold it. Oh God. Flying dough.
Alright, so there's some noodle master cracking up in Japan right now. A couple of Americans. Ha ha ha. There's some Chinese noodle master. Ooh. We saw this one dude. 15 minutes later, he had 128 strands of beautiful noodle.
I'm going to get to that spot.
Okay, we'll check back with you in about, I don't know, a little bit.
30 minutes?
Yeah. Hello, everybody. So I think my dough's a little bit too sticky because it's sticking to my hand right now, but it's starting to get a little bit more flexible. So I saw those guys doing this stuff and they whip it around and it winds up really cool. One of these days, with a lot of practice, possibly. So, uh-oh. Oh. Oh. Wee. All right, people. Feel self-conscious being videoed? Do you feel self-conscious at all?
Absolutely not. I'm in full camera. Okay, let's see if we can get this. Oh, oh. No, no.
So we're in home lockdown. We decided to make, or attempt to make, Chinese noodles by hand. We saw some really awesome videos. So the videos will be in the link below for reference. This is maybe an epic fail.
Description box down below.
Some people who actually pulled this off.
Go ahead and send us links of your videos of you trying to do this at home.
Oh, yeah.
Look at you, Susie Home Makeover.
We really don't care if you hit like or subscribe to this channel. It's your life. Do what you want. Right. Hey, looks like you got it, kind of.
I'm able to.
Smack that a little bit more. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, it's getting pretty flexible. Awesome.
Okay.
Hey, can you try to do the little twirl in the air like those guys do? Yeah.
Wait.
There. Oh. Yeah.
Oh no!
Here. Watch the master.
Oh, okay. Right. You've been making noodles for how long?
Since about 5 p.m. It's 7:20 right now. Live and learn.
What you did.
It's gonna tear. See? Awesome. Yeah.
See the technique. The hands. The immense amount of powder. Oh, like a professional. He's done it.
Oh, you see this? You getting this? Yes. See that? Oh. All I know is that those noodles that dude made on the Noodle Master was making on those videos look so yummy. And that broth. Oh. Seriously craving that. Oh, no. Oh. Here. Okay. All right, live?
We're live.
Yeah. Okay. Check this out. So this stuff is starting to get a little chewy. See, look at this. Just like those dudes. They slap it and they watch. They wind it up. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
Yes.
It's starting to do what they said. It's getting a little bit more. Whoa. Yes. Yeah. Wow. It's actually starting to do what they say it's supposed to do. It's just, for us, it's just taking hours instead of minutes. This is really, really cool.
Gotta get it into the even snake. Even Steven. So I think that was my issue. There are parts of it that were too thin as opposed to others that were really, really chunky.
So did you sterilize this table?
I did.
Yeah, you did.
No corona! Yay!
No corona.
Corona!
Yep.
Yup.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool. That is like beyond cool. Oh yeah. And you're starting to get this thing down. Go ahead, slap it again. Hey, that's actually doing. Oh, and psych. Live yet? Check this out.
This is after waiting 2 hours for the dough to do its thing. Stretch its protein. Increase enzyme count.
We got lift off, kiddo. Look at this.
We're using the blacksmith technique.
Come on, man. Oh man, we're gonna have noodles one of these days.
One of these days. Until then, we're making do. However, the process of making homemade noodles is still underway.
That chick Emmy made in Japan, she had some success doing it for the first time. And her noodles came out really nice. Don't laugh at me. You don't know me.
Now what you want to do is just beat the ever-loving. Jesus. I don't know what this dough has done to wrong you, sir.
This is so fun.